Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're taking a close look at the Shark VACMOP Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. Now, if you're tired of the back-and-forth battle between mopping and vacuuming, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Imagine a vacuum and mop in one. No cords, no hassle, and a spotless, streak-free floor. Let's dive into the features, real-world performance, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. The Shark VACMOP P is a cordless cleaning solution designed for hard floors. This is not your typical vacuum cleaner. Instead of just vacuuming debris, it combines powerful suction with a spray mop, all within the same device. At its core, the VACMOP aims to deliver a complete cleaning experience by vacuuming up dirt and debris, then immediately locking it away in a built-in dirt chamber before mopping the surface with a spray of cleaning solution. It's an innovative way to tackle your cleaning tasks without constantly switching between different devices. It's lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, and comes with LED headlights to help you spot hidden debris in those darker corners and crevices. The VACMOP is designed for all sealed hard floor types, including hardwood, laminate, tile, stone, marble, and vinyl. It comes with disposable VACMOP pads, which absorb dirt and liquid, and the cleaner itself houses a 12-aughts bottle of multi-surface cleaning solution, ideal for a quick but thorough clean. One of the standout features is its no-touch disposal system, allowing you to toss the used pads away with the simple press of a button. No mess, no fuss. The spray feature is activated on demand, so you can target tough messes and stubborn stains instantly, giving you more control over how much cleaning solution you use. Now, let's get into how this thing performs in real-world scenarios. Setting up the Shark VACMOP is as simple as plugging it in and charging it up. There's no complicated assembly, which is a huge win when you just want to get cleaning without the frustration. Once charged, I took it around the house to see how it handled different floor types, from the sticky mess of a kitchen floor to dusty hardwoods in the living room. On hard floors, the vacuum function is powerful enough to pick up dust, crumbs, and even some larger debris without missing a beat. The suction is impressive, but it's not on par with a traditional upright vacuum. It's more than enough for light daily cleaning, though, and it excels in the spray mopping function. The on-demand spray is fantastic for spot cleaning spills and stains, especially in high-traffic areas like the kitchen or entryway. And when I say it locks debris away, I mean it. The dirt chamber in the disposable pads is a clever addition that prevents dirt from being pushed around the floor, unlike some other similar products. I use the VACMOP to clean a mix of fine dust, sticky food residue, and even pet hair. For dust and crumbs, the vacuum performed well, but with embedded dirt or stubborn messes, the performance is more reliant on the effectiveness of the mop and spray. The combination of suction and cleaning solution is great for lifting grime and getting your floors gleaming. Just don't expect it to do the heavy-duty work of a full-on carpet or heavy-duty vacuum. The no-touch pad disposal is a total game changer. Gone are the days of having to touch dirty pads or worry about where to put them. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference, especially when you're cleaning multiple rooms in one go. And let's not forget the LED headlights. They're not just a gimmick. They actually help me find the last little bit of dust hiding under my furniture, something I've always struggled with using traditional vacuums. As for ergonomics, the VACMOP is lightweight, which makes it easy to handle, but it's not as versatile as some other vacuums. It doesn't offer the same level of mobility as a stick vacuum, so you might feel a bit limited when trying to clean furniture or higher surfaces. The runtime is decent, though not as long as some more robust cordless vacuums. With a fully charged battery, I got about 25 to 30 minutes of cleaning time, which is fine for most small to medium-sized rooms. The charging time is also reasonable, so if you need a quick top-up, it won't keep you waiting for too long. Now, onto the pros and cons. One of the main advantages here is the convenience. The vacuum and mop-in-one design saves you time and space, and the cleaning performance is very solid for light to moderate daily cleaning. The suction is powerful enough for quick pickups, and the spray function targets those messy spots well. The lightweight build is another huge bonus, as it makes for a comfortable cleaning experience without being heavy or cumbersome. On the downside, it's not the best choice for deep cleaning or larger homes with a lot of carpeted areas. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle both carpet and hard floors with deep suction power, this isn't it. Additionally, the fact that it relies on disposable pads means there are recurring costs. Over time, you'll need to replace this, which might be a deal breaker for some environmentally conscious users. Battery life is decent, but not outstanding, so if you're cleaning a big house, it might need a recharge mid-cleaning. In terms of value for money, the Shark VACMOP CP sits comfortably in the mid-range price point for cordless hard floor cleaners. Given the dual function of vacuuming and mopping, it offers solid value for those with hard floors who want something convenient and efficient. It might not have the power or versatility to replace your full-sized vacuum, but for everyday cleaning of hard floors, it gets the job done well. When comparing it to other similar products in this price range, its combination of features, performance, and ease of use makes it a strong contender. If you're looking for alternatives, something like the Bissell Crosswave is worth considering. It also offers both vacuuming and mopping in one device, but with a focus on multi-surface cleaning, including light carpet cleaning. The Dyson V11 is another vacuum to consider if you want something more robust with greater suction power and a longer battery life, although it's a lot pricier and designed more for full house cleaning across multiple surfaces. When it comes to build quality, the Shark VACMOP kit feels pretty sturdy. The plastic feels durable and the vacuum holds together well during use. The pads are easy to replace and maintenance is minimal. Just rinse the dustbin and clean the brush rolls. It's not a machine built for years of heavy-duty use, but for regular touch-ups, it should hold up just fine. As for customer support, Shark has a solid reputation for helping with issues, though I didn't need to reach out for this particular review. So, is the Shark VACMOP worth it? If you're primarily looking to clean hard floors, and you want the convenience of both vacuuming and mopping without swapping devices, this is a great choice. It's particularly ideal for smaller homes or apartments, and for those who want to save time without the hassle of using multiple tools. However, if you need a vacuum with more suction power or are dealing with a variety of surfaces, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to the Shark VACMOP in the comments box below. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think or if you've already tried it out. Goodbye till next time, and remember, the cleaner your home, the happier your feet will be.